In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1v1 in CS2 Mirage. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a 1v1 server so you can play 1v1 against you and your friend on Mirage. All that you have to do is first invite your friend. So using this menu at the right side of the screen, you will be able to click on them and choose invite. Now, they will get a notification similar to this one that I'm going to show on screen. They just have to open up the Steam launcher and they will be able to accept. Once they click on play game and accept the notification, they will load up into the same party or lobby as you. Once both of you are on the same lobby together, that sadly I won't be able to demonstrate in this video, you will be able to go over to play and choose between practice or workshop maps. It doesn't matter which one you pick. If you want to do Mirage specifically, the best option is going to be practice and then either competitive or casual. Now, go ahead and choose Mirage. Of course, you can browse through workshop maps and you should be able to find 1v1 and something similar to Mirage. But for this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and showcase the standard Valve-made Mirage map. So click competitive under practice, make sure that you don't go to matchmaking, and then load into the server. Now, if you load into the server and you notice that there are bots, you will be able to kick them. So immediately upon joining, both of you should connect, join any of the teams, and you should see a bot. If this is the case, just open up the console, and in here, you will be able to type bot_kick. Once the bot has been kicked, or any bots that remain, you and your friend are going to be able to play between yourselves. So as you can see, it is on the warm-up now because I need someone else to start, but if my friend were able to join me right now, I would be able to get past the warm-up and start playing competitive. Of course, you can choose from any of the other modes, so deathmatch or casual, and either way, the server will be set up properly and you will be able to play between you and a friend on Mirage. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1v1 in CS2 Mirage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.